Today we're going to be taking a look at this handheld garment steamer from URPOWER. This is a 1600 watt power with 300 milliliter capacity and does have a fast 15-second heating. So it does produce strong steam, has an 8-foot power cord and an automatic shutoff for your own safety and protection. We are going to open this up and we are going to test it out and see how it works. Let's get into it. So like I mentioned, the water heating time is 15 seconds, which is really fast. So once you have it turned on, and you can hold it down, you can start seeing that steam instantly coming out. The iron plate is stainless steel. You'll find that on a lot of other models that these are actually plastic. So the fact that it's stainless steel is very good quality. And it can actually work for 18 minutes straight. Also, you can see the difference instantly. This is a very wrinkly shirt, so I'd have to go over it a few times, but I mean, that is such a difference. So I do want to do another test a little bit lower. As you can see, it's very wrinkly. We're gonna and again, such a difference. So I will say, as someone who doesn't have the best relationship with irons, that this is actually really handy and fantastic. I am someone who, last minute I'll pull out a shirt from the closet and then need to iron it. The fact that it does have that 15-second fast heating, which really means I can just plug it in and steam iron my clothes. It does mean I can grab my shirt from my closet, and with just that 15 seconds for it to heat up and be ready to use, it's fantastic. It means I can just use it, don't have to stress. It does have the 300 ml large capacity, so it means it can actually steam for a long time. It can continuously run for 18 minutes. I'm probably not going to need it for 18 minutes, to be honest, especially seeing how fast it did actually work on that shirt. I couldn't see, unless I was doing all my ironing at once, why I'd need it for 18 minutes. But again, that's more of a reflection on me. So if you are interested in the handheld garment steamer from URPOWER, we are going to leave a link in the description below. So do share this with a friend, hit that like button, comment below how great you think this product is, and of course hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this.